Today we'll explain how to buy shares of Anebulo Pharmaceuticals Inc., a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company. Anebulo trades on NASDAQ under the ticker ANEB. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy ANEB, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you'll be asked to verify your identity, usually with an ID document, and to add funds before you can trade. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker ANEB to locate the stock. Select the listing that shows Anebulo Pharmaceuticals Inc. on NASDAQ to ensure it's the correct instrument. On the stock page, you'll see basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker to make sure you have the right asset. To place an order, choose the invest or buy option, enter the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may execute at the next session. If your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio. Check the description below for the eToro link if you want to follow the same example.